In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK. Select Timeout and make sure Infinite is on. Then access Tab menu and click on those three dots at the top right corner. Following that, select Edit Styles and look for Caffeine one at the bottom. Then add it to your current shortcuts. When it's ready, go back and click on it. As you can see, after that, infinite sleep time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!